Hello, this is Vijay from Mass Communication here again with another video. In this, when I'm going to show you how you can put Face ID to any application in your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max. Very simple process, guys. For example, I have Skype here. I click this one. So it doesn't have any Face ID, no password required, nothing. So I want to put Skype as a Face ID. Tap this one. You see here, remove app and second Face ID require. Hit that one. Now you see require Face ID. Hit one more time. It's done. So I open Skype as this. So you see Face ID required. Now I put my face here. Done. So lovely. Same way any application you can do that. For example, I want to do this application Movie Star. I tap this one. You see here second option, require Face ID. One more time, require Face ID. It's done at the top. Some information you see is doing that. It's done. So I hit this one as this, require Face ID. I put my face. So from now you can put your face to any application you want in any Apple device, but you should have iOS 18 in this case installed to your phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.